When you're placing a skylight on a roof, how would you like to place it really accurately? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup, and in this movie we're going to cover how to place the skylight with absolute accuracy. So keep watching. This is where I want my skylight to be, exactly here. So I've got some dimensions and I'm going to use those to place my skylight absolutely accurately. So plan view first, resource manager, find your skylight and drag it to the roof. Notice the roof highlights in red. Let go and then click on this little blue handle right here. When you click on that, you can then edit the skylight. Now we need to place this accurately. So I've got some dimensions. I need this to be 15 feet 5 1/8 inches, and in the other direction 12 feet 5 3/8 inches. Okay, so there it is. Now here you can actually see my little rectangle. Here you can see my rectangle as well. If I just hide my skylight, there's my rectangle. I've now got that absolutely perfect. It's exactly the right location. So that's the way that you can accurately place a skylight in your project. If you like this movie, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I know most of you that watch my movies aren't even subscribers, so get subscribing. Every time I post a movie, you'll get notified. I'm going to cover this a little bit more slowly and in more detail for my membership. So if you're a member, look out for the movie that covers how to place a skylight in a lot more detail. Thanks for watching.